Dzień dobry and welcome to Walking Through History at SpelareTV. So, but we want to come straight back to topic. We are here at Walking Through History. So, yeah, the Möhnesee Talsperre, or our little version of the Hoover Dam, yeah, in Nordrhein Westfalia, was built 1913. Also, yeah, I will display it here in case I was pronouncing it wrong. But yeah, this is clearly a little version of our Hoover Dam. So as in this is my ear. So as it seems, this was already once destroyed during the World War, 1943. Yeah, and this is clearly this is clearly a monument to honor those that have been injured during the destruction of the Möhnesee Talsperre. Looks like a riverboat. Yeah, clearly a fascinating view. Yeah. There we go to the Drugalta Chapel now again. I know, we have been there already twice, but yeah, I like to go as well through the videos of it, so we will review it historically. And yeah, this is clearly a riverboat. You can book here seasons. You can book here during the seasons, but actually this was not possible. After all, thanks for watching. And keep in mind that these furry pals have as well a soul. In this case, yeah. Remember that during warfare as well animals can get hurt. So yeah, let's leave it as a memory as well for all the animals that are gone. Anyways, I would like to know from you viewers, would you like to hear more from the history of the places that we are discovering? Like for example from Castle Altena or from the Arnsberg Chateau or from the Drugelter Chapel, yeah, then let me know here down below in the comments. And then, yeah, we will see how we will go on. In the meantime, have an enjoyable week, you all.